Perfect.
Hey guys, Alfonso here from Atlantic Marine in beautiful Miami Beach, Florida on this special boat. This is a 35-foot island runner that was not repowered by us, but this boat was purchased and hasn't been running in a long time. So the engines had a major service done. Now, to get a little bit more detailed about this, I'm gonna pass you to my guy Freddie over here, and he's gonna explain what exactly was done to these engines. Check this out.
Hey guys, what we went ahead and we did to these motors is that we did a full service to them. We went ahead and we changed the impeller, lower unit oil, oil gaskets. We went ahead and we changed the motor oil filter. We changed the spark plugs. We changed thermostats. We opened up the VSTs. We took all the VSTs apart. So we had to change the high pressure pumps, regulators. We removed all the fuel out of the tanks, put new fresh fuel into them, and we got these babies running really nice now.
That's right. It got done here at Atlantic Marine. Babies are hitting 6,000 RPMs, and this customer is going to be extremely happy. The temperature is perfect. Everything's running how it's supposed to do. So this major service was done, and this customer is going to be extremely happy. Give us a call, 305-826-2202, or come on down and give us a visit at 8091 West 21st Lane, Hialeah, Florida. Right now, we're gonna do a 0 to 58, close to 60-mile-an-hour run. I'm gonna let my man Freddie over here take over the controllers. Freddie, show her what she got.